Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, in the sense of Mayor Court, it's just a lot. Like, sekuxabana uratha manje nomuzi sibi athi umqama manga ugininda ngamabhutsi. I had said if one policeman comes maybe to court wearing the same boots that I'm talking about, then I will tell you. And bathi ugininda athi no, mina ngiyawazi mos lawo mabhutsi ukuthi kanjani. Abesithi umuzi no, he's lying, uqamba manga. Athi uratha then akeze kugininda azoqamba lawo manga la. As a judge, I need to be sure about my stuff. I'm just like, with stuff. Ngoba nawo wathenga. Utolika, sisters is not speaking Zulu A. Yeah, sinenkinga lapho. Ngeke khonakala phela, that's not Zulu really. I heard her speaking Ndebele, sisters. I was just like, ngeke sis. Kanjani uSuya doesn't speak Ndebele mos. Uyakhuluma ngomlomo wakhe uthi yena akazani nale msanganisho umbotho. How now is putting things out there because he is Gininda's friend. Business of fabricating continuously, basically. They will never stop creating stories that don't exist.
I Shem is very silly, this lady. And Umukhula come to Ujola no Gininda, you know. Yeah, people that know her, they were just like, Goba Muzi left, wanted to leave Uklala in the cells at the police station, wanted to go to jail straight because they were doing stuff to him, bimshabim trapster every time they come at any time at those cells as a police station, bamshai.
They must be informed within 12 hours to ensure that they take over the investigation of that specific case. And this we see in its evidence of February 2024, page 13.
Sonepol uyawachaza ukuthi makuwukuthi kuba khona ke ukukhononda vela kumsola noma ke umuntu oboshiwe estation samaphoyisa echaze ke ukuthi ushayiwe kanti ke futhi ushayiwe iphoyisa kuyilungelo lakhe ukuthi khona lapho avuleke icala lelo phoyisa lelo livulelwe ke icala bese liyathumelwa ke ehhovisi elikhulu lamaphoyisa sibiza ngokuthi ke IPD kumele kwenzeke lokho ngaphambi kokuthi kudlule ke amahora ayisishagalombili ukuthi ke kuzokwazi ukuthi kube nophenyo mayelana nalelo phoyisa lelo.
Usolephuno wayekhuluma ngemithetho abatshenwa yona mabeqashwa esiphoyiseni okungasho ukuthi amaphoyisa enza lo mthetho lo ngoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngakho plan ngatshena iphoyisa ukuthi amaphoyisa angishayile la hamba la ucheck ukuthi mapha amaphoyisa engifike nawo lathola ukuthi amaphoyisa enational but lamaphoyisa la angaphezulu kwabo ngoba bona besebenza estation.
Sonepol was making a reference to what their rules as and when they are employed. That it does not mean that they would follow the rules. And I did make mention of the fact that I was assaulted there. And the police officer who came to me, it was only one police officer and once.
Ukuba babenza lento le show Sonepol bakuthiwa amaphoyisa alandela lo mthetho lo oshow Sonepol ngabe iphoyisa lalivula lelo cala le.
Before that, I had omitted something, my lord, when he says that the police officer that he reported to told him that he was going to check as to who is the police officers that assaulted him, and he then gave a report to say that those police officers are above them. And if they were following this set of rules that Sonepol has outlined to us, then that would not have been the case.
But once again, Mr. Sibia, you are unable to say as to when you allegedly reported an incident to this police officer, and you can also not give the name of that police officer. Is that correct?
Kodwa mnumzane uyahluleka ke wena ukusitshela ukuthi ke kwakunini kanti ke futhi le phoyisa leli o report kulo ubani.
Ngiyasho lesikhathi ngilapha ya Everali isikhathi usuka ngikukhumbula kodwa akusho ukuthi lokho lo ayenzakalanga.
I did indicate that what day I do not remember as to what day was it, but that does not mean that it did not happen.
Namanje nje nawo amaphoyisa lapha awafakile amagama awo la ukuthi angobani nawo ayakhona.
As police officers here before court, the accused person or the witness is pointing out to the gallery, they do not have their name tags on with them.
But the fact of the matter is that you did not open a docket, is that correct?
ukuthi-ke awuzange ulivule idokodo.
I-complaint angayifaka.
I laid a complaint.
Iphoyisa yile engangivulelanga idocket. Kodwa khona i-complaint ngayifaka.
A complaint to a police officer is the one that did not open a docket on my behalf.
Colonel Swanepoel further testified that there are oversight committees, parliamentary oversight committees on policing, who visit and inspect detainees, and that complaints can also be made to them.
Kukhona-ke inhlangano noma-ke iyikhulu ezithi-ke ziyakhona ukuthi zize zizovakasha lapha estation. Makuwukuthi kukhona-ke isimo esifana nokuthi-ke umuntu uyashaywa, akwazi ukuthi-ke abike kubona isimo esinjalo.
Umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi abike kubona.
Did you say that one is able to report it to them?
Yes.
Yeah.
You did not file any complaint with the Parliamentary Oversight Committee.
Awuzange-ke uripothele-ke yona le committee le.
Mina ngiyasho namanje ukuthi umuntu engamreportela iphoyisa. Fana le phoyisa lelo lafika ngo-5 to 10. Angazange ngize ngilibone lo phoyisa lelo. Nabo labo bantu labo akaze ngize ngibabone.
I did indicate that I made a report to one police officer. However, this one that says he arrives at 5 to 10, I did not see that police.
Kungaba nzima ukuthi ngavula ukuthi ngatshena abantu ngakaze ngize ngibabone.
It would be difficult for me to report a matter to people that I've not even seen.
Just to clear one aspect on this parliamentary oversight institution, is the state alleging that on a particular day, this institution that it has referred to now actually did arrive or did go to Fileria?
Well, we're quoting the evidence of Colonel Swanepoel. He says in general, there are also parliamentary oversight committees that do visit police stations.
Yes, but my lord, now the question that has been asked from this witness is that he did not even, or he also did not even report to that parliamentary oversight institution. That was the question, yes.
So, Mr. Sibia, you are saying that no complaint was filed with the Parliamentary Oversight Committee.
Usike wena uzange ukukhona nje noma-ke ufake-ke i-complaint kule nhlangano yabantu abakhethiwe-ke ukuthi babhekane nezinto ezifana nalezo ukuthi-ke.
Which is the clarification that I'm seeking, that now that is the state then, by asking that question, is the state stating it as a matter of a fact that that parliamentary oversight committee actually went to Fileria police station at the time at which Mr. Sibia could have been detained there now?
Yes, is that so or not so, sir?
My lord, we're saying that it's a right that every detainee has to file a complaint. So we're just asking him, did he exercise that right? Did he file a complaint with the Parliamentary Oversight Committee? That's the question.
The state is dodging this question, and I'm going to emphasize on it up until the states come up very clear. Exercising a right is one thing, but saying to this witness that it did not even file a report with this parliamentary oversight institution simply suggests that that institution was there. Then this accused person decided not to exercise his right. That's why I'm asking, if the state is then saying it is a matter of a fact that that institution, that parliamentary, what is it now? Parliamentary oversight institution, I think it's jigs, whether or not it went there. That's what we want to know, madam. Are they asserting that that institution actually did visit Fileria?
Yes, we've already responded to that. We said it's a right, a general right. Then we just established from him as whether did he exercise that right. That's all that we want to find out from him.
okuyikona-ke umnumzane Sibekazama ukucacisa ukuthi yebo umshushisi uthi-ke kuyilungelo lakanoma ubani noma-ke lo muntu-ke oboshiwe ukuthi ena akakwazi ukuthi ariphothe-ke kule nhlangano uma ngabe ukuthi ehlakalele isigameko esifana nalesi sosichazile. Uthi-ke yena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi-ke abashushisi bathi ngalelo langa kuyenzeka ukuthi-ke lelo committee lalabo bantu-ke bebakhona yini endaweni uma ngabe wena uboshiwe. Uthi-ke umshushisi yena uyabuza njengoba kuyilungelo lakanoma ubani ukuthi wena ukwenzile lokho noma cha.
Angaze ngize ngibabone labantu okhuluma ngabo ukuba iphoyisa engathi mangirepotela ukuthi ngishayiwe lathi malihamba liyobona ukuthi labantu abangishayile bathi lithi bangaphezulu kwabo ukube la ngitshena ukuthi hayi makuso yenza kanje uhalandela imigudu eso ngabe ngalandela lo migudu leyo. Angaze ngize ngikwenze ngoba lawo nhlaba zange beze befike ngikhona eVelali. Angaze ngize ngibabone.
I did not see these people that you keep on referring to, and the police officer who came to see me, after telling him that I was assaulted, and he went to go check and find out that the people who had assaulted me, they are of a higher rank than him. He could have told me or gave me advice as to what procedure can I follow. I was going to follow the same procedure only if I was told, but I did not see those people.
See, Colonel Swanepoel further testified that if a police officer does not report an injury to an institution such as the Independent Police Investigative Directorate and with oversight committees that visit police station, he can be held liable. So this police officer that you allege that you reported to can be held liable if he did not report an incident as you allege.
Utheke umnumzane Swanepoel-ke kunethimba leliya ayiphethe lapho kunikezelwa ku-report khona noma kubikwa khona-ke amacala enziwe amaphoyisa. Uthi-ke bekumele kuwumthetho wabo esiphoyiseni ukuthi uma kuwukuthi iphoyisa liyahluleka ukubika lolo daba lolo lizofanele ukuthi-ke liziphendulele kulokho.
Ngoba ngisho ukuthi iphoyisa ngatshela ukuthi mina ngishayiwe. So iphoyisa yilo kwakumele lingitshela ukuthi hayi labantu ababe ngaphezulu kwami nje ngokwe rank yami. So ngizocela ukuthi ulandelele uhambe uyotshela abantu abaso ukuze bezokhona ulandelelela. Akazi lize lingitshele lo nto leyo.
Like I said that I told the police officer that I'd been assaulted, and if that police officer had advised me accordingly as to which people I should report to, I would have done the same.
And Colonel Swanepoel further testified that police officers do not cover for each other. And this we see in the record on 1 February 2024, page 8, lines 1 to 9.
Okay,
Amaphoyisa afikelana kakhulu.
police officers protect one another a lot.
Namanje bangadlalela indaba amaphoyisa afikelana kakhulu. Kuvela manje ukuthi amaphoyisa ubani wangifaka inkingeni ukuthi enze so ubani wangifaka inkingeni ukuthi enze so. Mara amaphoyisa ukuvikelana avikelana ewonke. Ayavikelana.
Police officers do cover for each other up a lot. If now you can watch our television, you will see that police are covering up for each other. It is only now that is coming to light as to who did what when.
Yes. Mr. Sibiya, it was pointed out to you yesterday that these are matters, the matters that you are referring to are matters that are being investigated, and you putting them as if these matters are facts.
Kusenkantolo eyenza-ke uphawu izolo-ke ukuthi kusaseyinhlolo lezi ezenzakalayo kodwa wena manje usuzibeka ngathi-ke kuyizinto-ke eseziphothulyiwe noma-ke sekunabo ubufakazi obubonisa ukuthi lezo zinto bazenzile nangempela uthi nje yinhlolo lezi okhuluma ngazo wena lapha mbuzi.
Akusizi insolo.
These are not just allegations.
Like amaphoyisa la oginida mabefika la bona ngokwabo ababala ukuthi uGeneral Sibiya uko wafika esinini. Babala uNdlovu kuphela uSibiya bambala babala lokho ithimba leli kodwa uSibiya bambala kodwa uSibiya yena ngokwakhe uyasho ukuthi mina esinini ngokufaka sense ngafika ngaze ngana nasesibhedlela kodwa akanaso istatement anaso la.
I'm citing this because even General Gininda did not say, or in his testimony to indicate to this court that General Sibia was also present when we were arrested. So they're only stating other people, but they're not stating other people. But he was also there. Also on his own testimony, he did say that he was present, even though he did not make a statement, but he did say that he was present.
Yes, once again, Mr. Sibia, you answer questions that are not asked, that as it may. We just want to refer you to the record of 31 January 2024, page 84, from line 10. This is the testimony of Lieutenant Colonel Swanepoel. The state asked him, now if a person comes to the police station with injuries, will that person be allowed under any conditions to be detained in the police station? Mr. Swanepoel responds as follows. If a person comes with injuries, he must be either taken by the person arresting him or the relief commander to the nearest facility for treatment.
aze ngatshela ikhoti isigayi 2 ukuthi amaphoyisa angishayile nakhona futhi epolice station yakhona le everally ngawatshela iphoyisa lakhona ukuthi amaphoyisa angishayile.
I don't know as to what was the question posed, to which, in what way or in what manner was the question posed for Swanepoel to respond in such a fashion. However, I did say to you that what Swanepoel is saying in this statement, it's their police rules that are being taught when they get employed. But like I'm saying in Valeria, I did say that I was injured and I still have those marks on my wrist showing that I was injured.
He says something about appearing in court.
Ukhona ukushilo mayelana nokuthi uyewavela enkantolo.
Ngithi ngasho ekhoti yaseThembisa ukuthi amaphoyisa angishaya.
I did mention it in Tembisa Court that the police officers assaulted me.
The charge sheet, just to digress a bit, the charge sheet of the Tembisa proceedings were handed as Exhibit 00. Your first appearance was on the 1st of June 2020.
Waqala ke kubingelela imanje ngomhla ka-1 kuJune 2020.
Yeah.
And you are represented by Mr. Macheke.
Ummeli wakho kwakuwumnumzane Macheke.
Yeah.
Yes.
And there's absolutely no entry that you were assaulted.
Akukho lapho kubhalwe khona laphaya kule charge sheet ukuthi ke wawushayile.
uMatsheka mina ngamtshela ukuthi ngishayile.
I told Macheke that I was assaulted.
Ngaphinde ngazomtshela nge-10 kaJulayi ukuthi lamaphoyisa aqhubeka lokho yangishaya.
I also told him further on the 10th of July that these police are continuing to assault me.
Yila atshena khona ikhoti ukuthi lo muntu lo akaye kuphi akaye ejele asuke ema-police station.
This is when he said I told him on the 10th of July that I was being continuously assaulted, and then it is at that time that this person should be removed from the police stations and be sent to an actual correctional facilities.
Then on the 1st of June 2020, the matter was then postponed to 8th of June 2020.
Lahlehliswa ke icala mhla ka-1 kuJune, lahlehliswa mhla ka-8 kuJune kuwolona unyaka ka-2020.
Yeah.
Yes.
And on the 8th of June 2020, you were still represented by Mr. Macheke.
Usamele uyena ke umnumzane Macheke kuyo lona le date yange-8 zaka-June.
Yeah.
Yes.
And still there's no entry that you have been assaulted.
Nalapho futhi akubhalwanga ke ukuthi wena ulimele noma ushayiwe.
Ngamtshela mina kuMatsheka ukuthi bangishaya abantu laba.
I told Macheke that I was assaulted by these people.
But what is interesting, Mr. Sibia, regarding the proceedings of the 8th of June 2024, the defense says, the state initially says you've given Mpumalanga a addressed, then the defense responded as